You might want to think about selecting a reputed business that provides land surveying services in Kamasandra, Bangalore, if you require land surveying services in Hullegowdanahalli, Bangalore. In order to ensure that the land is precisely surveyed and marked before any building activity begins, land surveyors play a crucial role in the construction business. They can provide precise measurements and data that can assist architects, engineers, and contractors plan and carry out building projects with better precision and efficiency thanks to their skill and understanding of the most recent surveying technology and procedures. Working with knowledgeable and skilled land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore is crucial if you have any plans to build a new home or business in Hullegowdanahalli, or if you need to conduct a topographic survey of your current property for legal or insurance reasons. They can give you thorough reports and maps of your property's boundaries, elevations, terrain, and other crucial information so you can decide on your building project in an informed manner. If you're looking for the best land surveyors in Hullegowdanahalli, Bangalore, you might want to do some web research or get recommendations from nearby builders or real estate brokers. Make sure you select a licensed and insured business with a track record of providing top-notch surveying services at reasonable costs. There is a high demand for land surveyors in the little community of Hullegowdanahalli, located in the southern section of Bangalore. For homeowners and real estate developers, locating a trustworthy and knowledgeable land surveyor can be a difficult endeavor. However, there are a number of reputable land surveyors in the neighborhood, including Kamasandra, who can offer high-quality services at reasonable prices. With the aid of cutting-edge equipment and technology, land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore, can accurately measure and map out the land. They are highly knowledgeable and skilled in many different aspects of land surveying, such as determining boundaries, topographical surveys, construction plan surveys, and others. With relation to land purchases, property development, and boundary conflicts, their knowledge may assist customers in making educated judgments. The best land surveyors in Hullegowdanahalli, Bangalore, have years of expertise in the industry and a dedication to offering their clients top-notch services. They are renowned for their meticulous attention to detail, prompt project completion, and open communication all along the way. In conclusion, if you're looking for trustworthy and knowledgeable land surveyors in Hullegowdanahalli, Bangalore, you should think about getting in touch with the best surveyors in the neighborhood, like Kamasandra. With their cutting-edge technology, knowledge, and dedication to providing quality services, they can assist you in making judgments about buying land, developing your property, and other connected issues. Private land surveyors are essential in establishing a property's precise borders and specifications. You may rely on the knowledge of land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore, if you live in Hullegowdanahalli, Bangalore, and need their services. These experts can carry out numerous types of land surveys precisely and successfully since they are well-versed in the latest technology and have the necessary expertise and experience. They can assist you with duties like site